Hello friends, Merjabin here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the drain of wealth in India at the time of British colonialism in the country. So, let's get started. Drain of wealth refers to the situation of India during the time of British imperialism in the country when the wealth of India was getting transferred to Britain, but for which India was not getting any equivalent return or profit. In other words, the British rule in India was conditioned in such a way that only the interest of the British economy and industries were getting benefited. Indian wealth and resources were getting exported to Britain, but India was not getting any adequate profits from it. This situation was termed as the drain of wealth from India. During the time of British imperialism in India, the British government was earning a large amount of money from their business activities on Indian soil. They were also making profits from the taxes that the people of India were paying them. However, they were not spending a sufficient amount of money on the welfare of the Indians. Instead, the profits were being sent to Britain, the home country of the British. The drain of wealth was put forth by Dadabhai Naoroji, who was an Indian nationalist leader and economist. He expressed this theory in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. In his book, Naoroji declared that internal factors were not responsible for poverty in India. Instead, poverty in India was the outcome of the British rule in India because this rule initiated an organized drain of its resources and wealth to Britain. Later, this drain of wealth theory was further analyzed and developed by R.C. Dutta in his book Economic History of India. Now let's look into how the British drained the wealth and resources of India. The drain of wealth began from Bengal in India. It began in the year 1765 when the English East India Company acquired the Diwani of Bengal. The company now gained control over the revenue and resources of Bengal. Raw materials like cotton, silk, jute, indigo and tea were exported for the developing industries of Britain. The British East India Company purchased Indian goods by using the revenue they got from Bengal. They exported these Indian goods to Britain. These exports were termed as investments and they were sent to Britain. From 1765 to 1770, the English East India Company exported almost 4 million pounds, which was around 33% of the net revenue of Bengal. Moreover, the British also sent large parts of the salaries and incomes of its company officials in India to Britain. They also sent the gifts and bribes of the British trading merchants in India to Britain. Well, that's all for today. Meet you again very soon.